Hey everybody, what's going on? I've actually been getting asked a lot lately from some videos and clips of what my exhaust setup is that I'm running, and it is actually the Milltek race exhaust, and I'm actually still running the OEM downpipe, and it still gets pretty rowdy, and it's got a little extra sauce from the 034 Motorsports tune. So let's go ahead and get rolling here and get you guys some good sound clips. I think I'm going to start here with the windows cracked a little bit so you can get some true sound of how loud this thing is from the outside, especially with the pops. We'll go ahead and get a good little rip here. This thing will pop really loud between 3,000 and 4,000 RPMs. And the higher you get up, about 3,500 up, it's when it starts to drone quite a bit. But yeah, as you can hear, it's pretty loud. Actually go ahead and roll the windows up. Keep too much of the wind noise from coming in at higher speeds. But this will give you guys a good idea of how this exhaust sounds with the windows up. And they got the AC on too because it's still pretty warm out. But you can hear right here about 3,500 RPM. Pops quite a bit, but that's where it starts to drone a little bit if you let it just hang out there. I mean, you can still hear and feel these pops completely isolated, you know, with the windows up from the outside world. You can still feel them through the seats. It's pretty insane. Yeah, it's got a real deep and rich, bassy tone to it. And then the pops are like thump, thump, thump. Right there, like in your belly. Little downshift here. You know, as long as I tap my foot on the pedal between 3 and 4K RPMs, it'll just pop all day. Woo! See, this will be a little bit of a quick drive. I'm really just going to get gas right now. But I thought it'd be a good opportunity to have a quick little jaunt in the GTI, and just, you know, it gives me an excuse to film another video and give you guys some glorious sounds of the exhaust and the CTS turbo intake. It's pretty loud too. Very whooshy. I love it. It's a full open air intake, and I actually got the hood insulation removed as well, so gives you a little more than what you'd have without it, or with it on, I should say. And you can actually hear the turbo spool up a little bit more too. Let's see if you can get it here. Right there between 3 and 4 is where you can hear it too. Turbo spool up. Rich in sound. It makes driving this car every day so much fun. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up, and I'll catch you guys afterwards. All right, y'all, all filled up, good to go. Let's go ahead and make this voyage back to the house. Let's go ahead and make this light with the windows down a little bit. From 0 to 60, decently quick. What's not to like? Woo! Man. Just feel those pops. All right, this time we'll leave the windows up. Crack them again. know what they say. It's always good to give your car the old Italian tune-up every once in a while. And a lot of times I'll do it right after I get some fresh gas, just to clear the system out a little bit. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that short video. Be on the lookout for new content coming in the future. And as always, stay tuned.